Amanda. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thank you for taking a few minutes every day to hang out with me. Today's video, I'm super excited because I'm sharing with you an ULTA haul. I had 2,000 points saved up, so that is $125 off your purchase, and I just wanted to share the items with you that I picked up. I will link my ULTA haul playlist to watch previous hauls, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a like. Let's get unboxing. The first products I picked up are the OUAI Thick Hair Shampoo and Conditioners. I really enjoyed the brand OUAI. I love their texturizing spray, which I ended up getting a little sample of with like purchase of however many dollars you needed. I always get intrigued when I see products that are made for thick hair. I definitely have my fair share of hair. It doesn't nearly look as thick because it is straightened. This is not how my hair naturally looks. And I don't think I'll ever do a video of my natural hair because it is super poofy, lion's mane, frizzy, and it's naturally wavy, and it's not like pretty waves. I could naturally just wear out. It's a mess, like myself. I recently gone through my It's a 10 shampoo, and towards the end, my hair was rejecting it, so it's something that I wouldn't necessarily repurchase at this point. And then my current shampoo, I have the Maui moisturizing, and I like it, but I don't think it's doing enough for my hair. Definitely wanted to give these a shot and see. These are 10 fluid ounces, and I believe each one is about $30, so it is on the more expensive side, especially being smaller bottles. Plus, the texturizing spray is a great bonus. I like to use this in place of dry shampoo. I feel like a lot of dry shampoos weigh my hair down and causes a lot of unnecessary buildup, but texturizing spray, I don't notice any buildup or weighing it down, but I still get like a similar result as if I were to use dry shampoo. ABH has launched a mascara. This is the Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. I don't know, I figured if I'm just gonna redeem my points, I won't be too upset if it doesn't work out for me. I've heard really great things about it so far. This is what the wand looks like. I just hope it provides both lengthening and volumizing. I think it's strictly for volumizing, but if I can pair it with the lengthening mascara, I'll be okay. I have the most pitiful lashes ever. I feel like I should sign myself up anytime a brand has a new mascara launch and be the tester and see the results. Don't let these falsies fool you. Tarte is a brand I can't even remember the last time I picked up a Tarte product. I've just lost interest in Tarte's launches. I feel like everything is repetitive and kind of boring these days, but it's a brand that I really do like and enjoy. Nothing against them, it's just nothing has wowed me recently. But I was kind of intrigued by this Maracuja tinted hydrator, and I don't really wear foundation during the summer times because it's just gonna melt off no matter how much setting spray. It gets very hot and humid where I live. I don't even want to wear mascara because you blink and it's smudging under your eyes. I figured because I do have some redness, sometimes I want my skin just to look even some days. I picked up the shade 34N, which is medium neutral. I believe it's like the same shade that I use in the Base Tape foundation. Plus, I've kind of missed using tinted moisturizers. It's very light coverage, and it's funny because I really like full coverage. And it blended in very effortlessly. I used to love their Maracuja oil back in the day, and I think it started breaking out my face a little bit. That's something that I've decluttered. Hopefully with this maybe being infused with their Maracuja oil, that it doesn't trigger your face to secrete oil. Otherwise, you might end up looking like a grease ball. Lastly, the brand that I can never get away from, picked up some new colourpop products. Guess I'm just having colourpop withdrawals since their shipping facility was shut down for a while now, and I think they're slowly reopening. I know I am anxiously waiting my Mulan order to see these on ULTA's website. I'm like, I miss colourpop. Yes, 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 yes. Did I need any of these items? No, but hey, I had points to redeem. This is the Interstellar Blush, and this is what she looks like. A very pretty pink. Definitely right up my alley. Can never go wrong with a ColourPop blush. I hope it's a blush that you can build up to your liking, so if you want a more natural look, you can just go in very lightly or build it up for a more dramatic look. And then two new palettes. We have All Things Equinox, and this is what she looks like. Kindred Infinity Sky High. Now I feel like I already own similar ColourPop palettes with this color story or just palettes in general, but ColourPop gets me every single time. For someone that doesn't really pull towards cool palettes, these shades just speak to me on another level. Stellar Moonrise Lil Dipper. Those two shades right there remind me of Lilac You a lot. Nabella Intergalactic Alter Ego. That shade was a little lackluster. Nabella, let's build it up one more time. There we go, kind of. Still tailing off at the end, so a little surprised to see that, but I guess we'll see how it translates onto the eyes as opposed to just swatching it with my fingers. Did I necessarily need this? No, but I definitely am feeling the colors right here and kind of want to do a video using this palette. Maybe I can compare it to some other ColourPop palettes that I already have in my collection. The price and the quality, I just can't beat. It just sucks me in. And then the second palette is She's Got Solstice, and this is what she looks like. I feel like this could be a combination of maybe the Soul palette or the Strawberry Milkshake one, two that I haven't used before, so maybe it's time to do a comparison video. Plus summer solstice is around the corner. How to get this palette to celebrate, right? No? So Serious Big Bang Quasar. Oh, is that a glitter? Get Wrecked Nova Estrella Super Stardust. Jin, my Stardust, I'm sorry to have shattered you in the pan. Rogue One reference, anyone? So I think it's a little bit more foiled, but it is very fragile and delicate. Be careful. Learn from my mistake. Mars Earth Angel Chromosphere. And this is what she looks like swatched. Honestly, out of both the palettes, I kind of like this one a little bit more. This shade Mars and Stardust are really unique. I know the other shades might look closely related to each other. I think that they'll be able to create such pretty looks when combining these two shades, or these two palettes could be paired together. I feel like it'd be a fun video to do one look using this palette, one look using this one, and then doing a look combined. At the time when I placed this order, the e.l.f. bite-sized palettes were out of stock, but they recently restocked and I did pick up a couple of them as well. I've heard so many great reviews and I've gotten a lot of questions about them. I was unable to redeem my birthday gift because it says in-store only and all the Ultas around me are closed. It's not like I'm missing out on anything exciting. I think this is the first year April actually got a shitty gift. I'm not losing sleep missing out on that sample. I'd love to know if you guys have hauled anything from Ulta recently. Given the current circumstances, I haven't been seeing many new releases on Ulta's website. I haven't really been tempted. I did pick up a couple things during 21 Days of Beauty, but there was a lot of shipping delays, so I didn't do a haul. Maybe you can do a first impressions of some of these new products from Ulta. Let me know in the comments if that's something you guys would be interested in seeing. I would love to know if you guys have picked up any of these products and how did they work out for you. I think I am most excited for this shampoo and conditioner duo just because it's really hard for me to find good shampoo and conditioners that can work out for my hair. I think it works out for like maybe a month for my hair and then my hair starts rejecting it. Definitely have to work through the rotations, but if I didn't have these points built up, I probably wouldn't have picked them up at this time. Now I have some new items to test out. Stay tuned for a follow-up video on how they worked out. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.